Guys, it ain't no way that they're suing you and you just sit there and just get sued or run from the summons. That's not the way to do it. If a collection agency or a creditor is suing you for debt that you know that you owe, pay close attention to the summons, because it's in the summons where you could get a dismissal if you do it right. You got to know exactly what to call them on in the answer. That is key to most court cases. Did you know out of 82,000 debt buyer lawsuits, only 5% of those are dismissed in court? And get this, over 70% of debt buyer lawsuits end in default judgment because folks ain't showing up for court. They're just not even fighting at all. But however, over 90% of debt buyers' court summons have deficiencies in them, which means that if you would answer the court summons and answer it correctly, you could get a dismissal and not even have to go to court, guys. So stop being afraid as soon as you see a court summons appear. All you have to do, guys, is fight back. And most of the time, you can just fight back right from your computer by going through that court summons and creating an accurate answer that is a bulldog answer. We do it all the time here. We've been doing this forever. You can do it too.